Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to unblock someone on Duolingo. First, open Duolingo on your device. Then click the three-dot button in your bottom right corner and then click Profile. Here you want to click Add Friends button and then press the button Search by Name. And here in the searching field, you want to type the username of person you want to unblock and click Search button. Then tap on the needed profile and scroll to the very down and click Unblock User. And confirm your choice by clicking Unblock button. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.